Today we have some really cool HEXBUG toys to show you. This is the remote control Angelfish. This is a seahorse. And this is my jellyfish. Let's open them.
This is exciting, Michael.
Hey, go mine. Ooh, cool, look at it. I got my jellyfish. I like her. We never had a jellyfish.
Pretty cool.
She comes with a remote too. That's going to be fun to play with. I can't wait to try mine. Let's go fill up the water tank. You need help? Oh. Here we go. Aww. It looks like a real one. We got this container with a lid, so Michael can't tip it over. Do you like the seahorse?
You're so silly, Michael.
So
You guys want to try putting a jellyfish in?
yeah, next time. You can do it. I might scare it. Once I can flick it. Whoa.
That looks cool, doesn't it?
Whoa. Ooh, cool. Whoa. Whoa, this works great.
Let me see the remote.
Are you controlling that? Yep. See, it's really easy to do. I'm going to try my jellyfish again.
Okay. Oh, Michael.
Uh-oh. Let's see it come up.
Michael can't get enough of this.
Diving face first.
Okay.
Oh, Mikey, leave him in.
Okay, yeah, we probably do need a towel.
Ooh, mine's going fast. Feels one day.
Your jellyfish is working really well.
I know.
That is really cool. Look at the cute seahorse.
I know, I really like that one. Seahorses are cute. It's fun to control my own fish. Did you put my fish in the bigger tank? It's really cool.
I think so too. Oh, Michael's gonna drink.
Like usual.
Did you see your remote control fish?
You're so funny. Look at, they're doing the
We've
race.
got all the other Aquabots in there too from before.
Racing.
Are they racing?
I want mine to win.
Michael must be thirsty.
Hey David, do you want to try this? Oh yeah. There she is. Chasing the blue. Yeah. Get him, get him, get him. Uh-oh.
Is it pretty easy to do, buddy?
Yeah.
Let me see the remote. Let me see how it works.
There's buttons here.
Looks like Michael put all the fish in the tall tank.
is sharp. There you go. This is so fun, I can play with it all day. And never stop. After we play with our Aquabots, we use the leftover water to water our plants. We like to recycle. Thanks for watching.